Welcome back to Tech Unlimited, your go-to source for demystifying the world of technology. Where I don't just use tech, I actually understand it. We delve deep into the hows and whys behind the gadgets we use every day. Ever found yourself furiously swiping away recent apps, convinced it's the key to unlocking your phone's true potential, hoping your phone will finally get its act together, that it will magically transform into a speed demon? Yeah, I've been there too. We all have. But is clearing your RAM really the secret sauce for a faster phone? Or is it just a placebo effect? A tech myth passed down through generations of smartphone users. Let's settle this once and for all. We're going to put this popular belief to the test. Before we dive in, tap that subscribe button and join me on this myth-busting journey. Together, we'll uncover the truth behind common tech misconceptions. I'm here to expose the truth behind our everyday tech habits. No nonsense, just facts. Just practical knowledge you can actually use. So why do people even think clearing RAM works? What's the origin of this widespread belief? The idea comes from older phones where RAM management wasn't so smart. They were simpler devices with less sophisticated operating systems. Back then, maybe swiping away apps actually did something. It could have provided a temporary boost in performance. But today's phones, Android or iOS, they're built to handle this stuff automatically. They're designed to optimize RAM usage without your constant intervention. Swiping away all your recent apps might feel satisfying, a sense of control in a digital world, but honestly, you could just be making things worse. You might be hindering your phone's performance instead of helping it. Let me explain. Let's break down how RAM actually works on your modern smartphone. RAM, random access memory, is basically your phone's short-term brain. It's where your phone stores the information it needs to access quickly. It keeps the stuff you're using right now, and apps you might switch back to, ready to go. This allows for seamless multitasking and a smoother user experience. When you clear those apps manually, guess what? Next time you open them, your phone has to reload everything from scratch, using more power and taking more time. This constant reloading can actually drain your battery faster, and both Android and iOS are way smarter than people think. They pause or close background apps when it actually matters. They prioritize resources based on your usage patterns. You don't need to babysit your RAM. Trust your phone to manage its resources efficiently. But hey, does that mean you should never clear RAM? Is there absolutely no situation where it's beneficial? Not exactly. There are exceptions to every rule. Clearing RAM can help if an app is misbehaving, your phone's overheating from too much going on, or after a heavy gaming or streaming session. These are situations where manually clearing RAM might provide temporary relief, but it's not something you should do every day. It's a remedy, not a routine. Think of it as a troubleshooting step, not a daily habit. If you really want to speed up your phone, try this. Free up some storage, disable fancy animations if you're on Android, keep your apps and system up to date, uninstall apps you never use, and just reboot your device every so often. A simple restart can often resolve minor software glitches. You don't need to be a tech guru. Just stop chasing myths. Focus on practical tips that actually make a difference. So, does clearing RAM make your phone faster? Nope, in fact it might slow things down. You're forcing your phone to work harder than it needs to. Myth busted. Your phone is a lot smarter than you might think. So let it do its thing. Trust the technology to work as it was designed. And if you're curious about the next big myth, does dark mode really save battery? Hit that subscribe. Stay tuned for more tech truths. Stay smart, stay tech savvy, right here on Tech Unlimited.